Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to show you an iPhone hack that will allow you to still receive phone calls and texts even when your phone is on vibrate. So when I go to sleep at night, I put my phone on vibrate so I'm not getting notifications waking me up all night, but I still want to be able to receive an emergency call from a loved one even though my phone's on vibrate. So I can go through and set up contacts and use what's called an emergency bypass function that allow them to still reach me. So grab your phone and let me show you exactly how to do that. Click on phone. From here, I want you to go ahead and pick a contact. And once you pick that contact, I want you to click edit in the top right. And from here, scroll down, and right where it says ringtone, where it says default, you can turn on emergency bypass, or you can put a special ringtone to that person if you want, and then click done. And while on this contact, right below that is text tone. So if you click on default and turn that on, and then click done, now you're never going to miss a call or text from this person. But remember, even when your phone is on vibrate, this person's phone call will still ring through and the text messages will still be audible as well.